guys, it's Katie from Cerebrum Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how to post a video on Twitch that's in the correct aspect ratio and correct size for the platform. So you may have a video that you have filmed and you know that it's in the wrong aspect ratio. It won't be appropriate for Twitch. Say it's in a vertical sort of TikTok style format or an Instagram style format, and you want to transform that video so that you can upload it to Twitch and maintain your professionalism and make sure it's the correct size. Luckily, it is really simple and easy to transform a video to be the correct size to upload to Twitch, and I'm going to show you how to do this with an online video editor called Cerebrum.com. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrum and go to Cerebrum.com. Then you log into your account and you can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrum, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload the video that you'd like to change the aspect ratio of. So the interesting and unique thing about this particular video editor is that you can use it to create multiple aspect ratios for social media channels. So you can upload one video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and so on, and none of the quality or content of the video will be lost. So this saves content creators a lot of time and allows them to repurpose their content across multiple social media platforms without spending any extra time editing. You can move the crop tool around and resize like this. Along the bottom row, you can see a range of different social media icons indicating the different aspect ratios that each platform requires, and when you click on one of them, for example the Twitch icon here, it shows you which sizes are appropriate to be uploaded to Twitch, and you can still play around with the size and framing of your video to ensure that it's exactly right for what you want. To select the appropriate size, just click on the Twitch icon, amend the box as required, and then once you're happy with the size selection of the video, click on the little box in the upper right hand corner to move on to the video editing page. This is where you can make additional edits to your video if you so wish. Once you've made any edits that you want, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner, and you'll then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrum account. Now you have your video ready to upload on Twitch without any watermark whatsoever. As I mentioned earlier, Cerebrum does offer a 2-week free trial, so I would definitely encourage you to go check that out, utilise the free trial, and give us any feedback that you may have. I hope this video was helpful.